After 45 years in the zoning business, we have never seen a more flexible, cost-effective system in the industry. Gen V is a game changer. Gen V covers the bases: commercial, residential, VRF, or conventional systems, along with centralized control of standalone HVAC equipment. Gen V Commercial is a changeover bypass system that supports up to 20 zones per unit with fully modulating zone dampers and bypass equipped with integrated static pressure control. Gen V for light commercial jobs supports up to 10 zones on one panel or controller. No add-on boards are needed. This is a real value proposition on systems of 5 tons and under utilizing 2 position dampers. Gen V for VRF VAV is a novel solution in commercial or residential VRF or ducted mini-split applications, and can reduce the number and cost of indoor units, fan coils, or air handlers significantly, while eliminating long and costly refrigerant piping runs, saving you time and money. Gen V centralizes the control and management of up to 20 RTU or split systems from the central hub thermostat. The Gen V is a universal zone controller designed to operate gas electric, heat pump, or VRF systems. The Gen V supports 2 to 20 modulating dampers per RTU or split. Smaller systems may also utilize 2-position zone dampers. One 24-volt 100 VA transformer supports up to 20 dampers in the system. Power and communication wiring from the Gen V controller is daisy-chained damper to damper with no home run wiring. Gen V supports ADR and provides FDD alerts to meet Title 24 and other states' energy regulations and requirements. 4 fan schedules for pre- and post-occupancy flush are also included to meet ASHRAE's COVID-19 building readiness guidelines. The Gen V is one of the most versatile and easy-to-use zoning and control systems, with the ability to control zone, gas electric, heat pump, and VRF units, or control and manage multiple standalone units. Manage the entire system from one central point without having to go to each thermostat to make setting changes. Easily and quickly change thermostat set points globally or individually. Stats can also be locked or unlocked globally or individually, either hard lock or adjustable plus or minus 2 degrees from set point. Set a thermostat's mode to auto, cool only, heat only, or off. This feature can also be performed on a global or individual basis. Prioritize stats with 0, 1, 2, or 3 votes so that a thermostat or thermostats have more or less votes than others. Daily scheduling can also be easily done from the hub stat, either a 5 1-on-1 or a 7-day scheduling with up to 4 schedules or events per day. Select an occupied start time and then an unoccupied end time. The Gen V can output a 24-volt signal when the system goes into the occupied mode. This 24-volt signal can be routed to the unit's economizer or to a device or piece of equipment that requires a signal that the system is in the occupied mode and ready for operation. Onboard diagnostics help to determine communication problems, current system operation, and performance. Quickly view the status and operation of any thermostat without having to go to that thermostat to investigate. Additionally, the HubStat alerts you when there is an issue with the HVAC unit's economizer by displaying FDD Air. Another unique feature of the Gen V is fan scheduling for units with air purification and sterilization equipment. Up to 4 schedules can be set to meet ASHRAE's COVID-19 guidelines to flush spaces between occupied periods. Gen V, designed for the contractor to be exceedingly flexible and easy to install. The system's central point of control is the HubStat to access, monitor, and control every thermostat or zone in the system, coupled with onboard diagnostics to streamline troubleshooting and quickly identify the location of any wiring errors in the system. Gen V, a sophisticated changeover bypass system priced and designed to help you, the contractor, compete. For additional information, contact your distributor or representative. Call ZoneX at 800-228-2966 or visit the Quick Quote site for pricing and submittal data at www.zonexproducts.com. ZoneX, we're here to help you zone in on a better bottom line with products, support, and service to help your business grow.